everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Lyall Public School. We are here with class 6, a topic of composition, and the name of the topic is notice writing. Notice writing is an important topic in English composition which goes throughout a very higher level in your studies. Because it's very important that you understand it. The other thing about notice writing is that it's a very simple and compact procedure of writing in which you use very limited words and you write it in a very fixed format. Okay, so first we'll see what is a notice basically. A notice is a formal document that aims to communicate or display information to the public or a specific group of people. Understand this very properly, that a notice is a formal document. The notice is always a formal document. ठीक है, ये एक formal document होता है, means it will be used in offices, colleges and institutions such as that. Okay, that aims to communicate or display information to the public or a specific group of people. ठीक है, this is never in singular form. The information or whatever is to be given to a number of people. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी एक इंसान के लिए उन्होंने लिख दिया है, something of that sort. ठीक है, the information is for a number of people. ठीक है, and that is given on display that it is available. So clearly it is a formal thing, it is for a lot of people and it is nothing which is confidential. बहुत एक ओपन इंफॉर्मेशन जो देनी होती है वो इसके अंदर आएगी. अगर थोड़ी सी भी वो कॉन्फिडेंशियल है या थोड़ा सा भी उसको सीक्रेट रखने की जरूरत है तो देन इट विल नेवर बी कंसिडर्ड इनटू नोटिस. ओके, notice is a written or printed information or news announcement. It has to be written or printed. It cannot be said. नोटिस जो है वो हमेशा लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए, आप उसको बोल के नहीं बता सकते हो. ठीक है, notice is always brief and to the point. It is always brief, very short and to the point. जो बात करनी है बस वही बात करनी है. Do not talk about here and there or something or the other thing. Only those points are covered or considered in which you are talking very clearly to the point. Okay. Then the most important thing which we need to understand here is that the format of notice. Notice का जो format है या notice का जो लिखने का तरीका है, that is very much important and it has to be followed in a specific manner. Okay, first you write down the name of the institution and organization who is issuing the notice. जो institution या organization, school, college, office, whatever it is, whichsoever is giving the information, उस school, college, office जो भी है उसका नाम जो है वो आपको पहले mention करना पड़ेगा. Okay, the name and all is mentioned first here. Then you write down the word notice. उसके बाद में आप clearly notice जो है वो लिखोगे below it to the center. Then towards the left corner you write down the date, month and year. ठीक है, then after that you have a heading. You have a heading. Heading is basically about what your notice is. ठीक है, तो वो वहां पे लोगों का अटेंशन ग्रैब कर ले, जिनको जरूरत है या जिनसे रिलेटेड बात हो रही है सिर्फ वही वहां पे आए. ठीक है, और दूसरे जो है वो नहीं आए, इसके लिए ये किया जाता है. ठीक है, then the body content, whatever information you have to give will be written here. Then towards the left side signature, name and designation, which means the post of the person. वो इंसान जो है वो किस लेवल पे है या किस पोजीशन में है उस इंस्टीट्यूशन के अंदर या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर, वो उसकी डेजिग्नेशन या पोस्ट जो है वो डिसाइड करती है. ठीक है, this was the format of notice, which is very simple. You will get it more easier when you do it on your own. Important tips have to be followed while writing a notice, and those are: first one is that you will always have to adhere to the specific word limit. Means a word limit of 50 words has been given, means you have to stick to that only. You cannot make it 60 or 100 on your own. 50 words means 50 words. ठीक है, उससे ज्यादा बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो सकते. Write the word notice at the top below the organization's name. You have to write down notice, NOTIC. It is very much important. If you don't do that, you might deduct your marks in the format. Okay. Name and place of the school, organization or office issuing the notice should be mentioned. Okay. Name of the organization who is issuing the notice has to be mentioned on the top. हमने अभी पढ़ा था format के अंदर. Give an appropriate heading. एक प्रॉपर हेडिंग आपको अपने नोटिस के कंटेंट को देनी पड़ेगी कि बेसिकली आप कौन से जो टारगेट ग्रुप है उसको टारगेट कर रहे हो, या आप बेसिकली किस चीज के बारे में बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. ठीक है. राइट द डेट ऑफ इशूइंग द नोटिस. डेट की जगह पे हमेशा नोटिस इशू करने की जो डेट है वो लिखी जाएगी. दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल दैट यू आर गिविंग द नोटिस टुमारो and you can write the date of today only. You have to write down the date of tomorrow itself. ठीक है. Clearly mention the target group for whom the notice is to be displayed. आपको clearly वहां पे mention करना पड़ेगा कि notice जो है वो आपने किसके लिए लिखा है. If you're not doing that, then the purpose of your notice cannot be fulfilled. Okay. Then the purpose of the notice is very much important. आपने notice क्यों लिखा है, किस objective के साथ लिखा है, वो आप इसके अंदर लिखोगे. ठीक है. Mention all the relevant details. ठीक है. Not necessary that every time you will get all the details in a notice. कभी कभी ये भी आ सकता है invent all necessary details. ठीक है. तो आपको एक idea या एक objective दे दिया कि this is happening and you have to write a notice regarding this. ठीक है. तो what you have to do is you have to give all the important details. Date कब हो रहा है, कहाँ हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, कैसे होएगा, what everybody is going to be at what time they are going to be there, or everything of these sort of information is given in that. Signature, name and designation of the person issuing the notice. जिस भी इंसान ने notice लिखा है उसका signature, name and then designation कि वो किस position पे, that is very much important. Okay. And then the last but not the least, put the notice in a box. Always remember that when you're writing a notice, you have to draw a box and then only write it. अगर आप box के बिना notice लिख रहे हो तो you will not get marks. Okay? Your marks will be deducted if you are writing the notice without a box. Then we have a small example of a notice. We are going to see that how a notice is written. Let's look at the question first. Your Lokesh Chaudhary, the head boy of ASN Public School, Mayur Vihar, Delhi. The activities in charge of your school has asked you to call a meeting of the House Council members to allocate duties for the annual sports day, invent the necessary details of date, time and place, and write the notice in about 50 words and put the notice in a box. ठीक है. So all the information has been given to you. Your name, ठीक है, your position, your designation, the name of the organization with its address, ठीक है, and then you are being said that the activities in charge of the classroom should come to the meeting. Now your name is also given and your position is also given, so we'll understand how a notice is written. Okay, you have to write a notice to call a meeting of the House Council members to allocate duties of the annual sports day. Okay, now pay attention. First you are writing the name of the institution जिससे ये notice जो है वो निकला है. ठीक है. Second, you are writing the address. The address can be written here also and here also, ठीक है। अब वहां की जगह पे यहाँ पे भी एड्रेस जो है वो लिख सकते हो, ठीक है। Then towards the left side we have the date. Towards the left side we have the date. In the center we have the word notice, ठीक है। And in the center again we have meeting of house council members. Now whosoever will pass by will just look at it and see house council members. So if I am a house council members, I'll get alert and I'll see what it is talking about. But on the other hand, if I'm not a house council master, ठीक है, तो आई विल जस्ट पास बाय इट, मुझे कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हेडिंग में हमने क्लियरली मेंशन कर दिया है कि हम किन लोगों की मीटिंग रख रहे हैं और उनको आना है या नहीं आना है, ठीक है। Then there is this one sentence, invent the necessary details of date, time and place and write a notice in about 50 words. ठीक है, जो भी डेट प्लेस टाइम का जो नेसेसरी डिटेल्स है दैट यू हैव टू इन्वेंट, मींस यू हैव टू राइट ऑन योर own, and then you have to write the notice in 50 words and then put it in a box. So the first thing which we saw was the name of the organization, then the address which can also be written here, okay, then we have the date towards the left side, notice towards the center and the reason of writing the notice. ये heading जो है ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, ठीक है। Now we are going to see the school is organizing the annual sports day on 28th February 2021. The activities in charge is called a meeting of the house council members to discuss the arrangements of the sports day. ये सारी बात तो हमको जो बताई थी, अब हमको क्या इंफॉर्मेशन क्रिएट करनी थी, ठीक है। प्लीज रीच द ऑडिटोरियम एट 1:30 PM on 23rd January 2021. This is the venue or the place, you can say. This is the time and this is the date, ठीक है। venue, time and date has been given. तो ये जो information है ये क्या करी आपने अपने मन से बनाई है, you have invented it. So this might be a case in most of the notices which you may get where you'll have to write down the date, time and everything, okay. Then this is Lokesh Chaudhary, the name and signature of the boy, and this person is the head boy, okay. This person is the head boy here, okay. तो ये उसका नाम आ गया और ये उसका designation आ गया. I hope it was clear to all of you. You understood what a notice is. A notice is basically a written or written or printed information which is displayed to a specific number of people in a very formal manner. Okay, it's a formal document which is used to communicate with people. Okay, and it is written or printed information or news announcement. Okay, other thing which you have to keep in mind is that it has always has to be very brief and to the point. It cannot just go round and round kind of things. Okay? Format, if we see, first is the name of the institution, then the word notice, then the date, then the heading, then the body and the content, signature, name and designation. जैसे वहाँ पे लोकेश चौधरी ने अपना जो designation है वो डाला था head boy because it was mentioned in the question that he is the head boy of the school. These are some important tips. Always write the notice in a box, signature, name and all the relevant details. Okay, why you're writing. Then the word notice on the top, and name of the scholarship, name of the organization. All these things has to be there. I hope notice writing is clear to all of you. It is a very simple thing, but you have to practice to keep in your mind. Okay, so if you remember the format easily, you can frame it on your own. And this is a very easy and nice topic which might be useful to you in near future also. Okay, because it is in formal way, so it might help you someday or the other day. I hope it was clear to you. थैंक यू।